Hi everyone! I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about how to get all of your desires by January 2024. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. Also, you don't want to miss out on one-on-one coaching with me, where I bring you to your desired reality step by step. What I can say for a fact is my emails are laced with literal magic. If you would like to be spoiled, if you would like all of the attention to be all on you, if you would like to be led to your desired reality in the quickest time frame possible with me in the ringer with you, sign up today at RitaKaminski.com or click on the first link in the description box down below. I know you want to. You're also more than welcome to join my members only YouTube program. You'll be getting 4 exclusive videos per month where I offer collective coaching. Feel free to ask me any question that you may have, and you'll be guided through your situation by me and be supported by a like-minded community within a safe space. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed by becoming a member. We go so much deeper into the law of assumption by learning from specific examples. So if my buddies didn't have a question that week, they still learn life-changing information. It would literally be a no-brainer to invest in yourself and join, so the link will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can literally just click the join button right next to my name. If members only is not available in your country or the link simply does not work, join up by clicking the Patreon link down below. It is the exact same program. I am so excited for this. I want to construct a manifestation routine specifically for you. And this manifestation routine is going to get you all of your desires by January 2024. I'm beyond over the moon for this because I am going to be following the exact same routine. And then we're going to be updating each other at the start of the year in 2024. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I want you to write down 4 to 5 of your manifestations of your desires on a piece of paper. My manifestations are: I want 1 million subscribers, I want a lot of clients, I want to earn $1,000 a day, I want all of my videos to go viral, I just moved in, so I want my house to be absolutely perfect and the garden in my backyard to basically run itself. And let's throw in a 6th one in here: I want to be 60 kilograms. I don't want you to get fancy with this. Like, if you're manifesting financial freedom, specifically financial freedom, I don't want you to be like, I have more than enough money. I want you to specify exactly what it is that you want and verbatim create an affirmation for this. It will be nice and simple. For example, I want to be 60 kilograms. So my affirmation isn't going to be, I lose weight quickly and easily no matter what. It's going to be, I am 60 kilograms. I have 1 million subscribers. All my videos go viral. I earn $1,000 a day. Why do I have so many clients? My house is perfect. The garden runs itself. That's 2 affirmations, but I'm making it into 1. Write those affirmations down on a piece of paper. From the hour that you're watching this video to 24 hours onwards, I just want you to familiarize yourself with these affirmations. So you could have the piece of paper with you or write it on your notes app and have it handy at all times. But I want you to get into a place where you know these affirmations off by heart. Now, starting from 24 hours onwards until December 31st, 2023, I want you to robotically affirm these affirmations as much as possible. I'm talking about the first second that you wake up, affirm, 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 affirm. Whatever affirmation pops up in your mind instantly, from walking into the bathroom, doing your thing, taking a shower, affirm, 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 to walking into the kitchen, making yourself some breakfast, eating some breakfast, We are affirming, 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 affirming. Instead of watching videos or listening to music, we are affirming, 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 affirming. If that is too much for you, it is okay. You can just repeat the affirmation in your head as you are watching your show or listening to your music. When you are getting ready, when you are commuting, anytime that you are not insanely busy, like having a conversation with someone or taking care of your responsibilities or working at your 9 to 5. Do not overthink this. Just affirm as much as possible mindlessly, meaning robotically affirm. If you have doubts, that's okay. Just don't grasp onto them. Let them pass. If you ask yourself, but where is it yet? That's okay. Let that pass. Keep affirming, keep affirming, keep affirming, no matter what. You do not need to have 6 affirmations. You can just have 2 or 3, but I would not go anywhere past 6 because it will be a little bit too much for you. If you are burnt out, take a break and then keep it pushing. We have a goal to fulfill here. You don't have to believe, you don't have to do any extra work. Literally just affirm, affirm, affirm. Take the steps if you are inspired to, meaning you're super excited and it feels unnatural not to take a step forward in the right direction. We are just having our eyes on the prize and we are just affirming, affirming, affirming mindlessly, professionally, and neutrally without giving anything a meaning. As the clock strikes midnight on the 1st of January 2024, anytime after that, I want you to come back to this video and comment the date and let us know every single thing that you have manifested. If it is past the 31st of December, don't worry, you can still do this challenge. Just give yourself 1 month. Congratulations on manifesting every single thing that you have wanted. 2024 is going to be a crazy, spectacular year for all of us. It is going to be the funnest, best years of our lives to date. I'm so excited for us. I love you all so much. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.